Good day guys, welcome. Want a sleek metal card that pays you in crypto? In this video we're discussing on how to get it, from setup to swipe. So firstly, install and sign up, download the crypto.com app on your respective platform, iOS or Android, and complete the KYC verification. And also don't forget to find your account. After that, pick a card tier, choose your preferred tier from the Midnight Blue to CRO stake. Choose your tier from Midnight Blue to Premium Obsidian. Then you can stake the required CRO for 365 days. For example, Midnight Blue $0 stake, Ruby Steel 400, and Obsidian 400,000. Then tap the card tab, select your tier, accept T and C, confirm your stake, and submit your address. After that, you'll receive a virtual card instantly. The physical metal card ships in 7 to 14 business days, depending on the region. Then, let us discuss rewards and features. 1 to 8% back on CRO on purchases, depending on tier. Rebates: Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, airfare, lounge access, bonus varies by tier. No annual or foreign transaction fees, no monthly fees. Also a tip for you guys, you can start with Midnight Blue and upgrade later by adding more CRO. Also a small warning, they removed the ability to move funds back to your Fiat wallet recently, so don't load large amounts onto the card if you need easy withdrawals. So there you have it, a full walkthrough to get set up and use this card. Like and subscribe for more crypto and money guides. See you soon.